So, why you need to choose Realme if your budget is under 20,000? Let's see. Let's see the most liked feature in Realme brand. Realme uses hook charging technology, which is safe and has 5-layer protection mechanisms that cover all aspects of the charging process from the outlet to phone battery, from the adapter to the port and the internal parts. Let's make it short. It's way too safe than other technologies that are currently in market. It doesn't get overheat, and Realme has not reported any phone blast because of overheating. Most of the Realme phones are coming up with Type-C port. Big thumbs up to the company. Let's make it more interesting. Even the premium mobile company OnePlus uses hook charge technology in the name of Warp Charge. Let's get into most important factor, camera performance. Realme phones are having various camera sensors like ultra wide, macro and even telephoto, which you can see in Realme 6 Pro. Let's look at some sample photos shot in different situations. These photos are shot on Realme phones which are under 18,000. What do you expect more than this in this price segment? I mean, just look at the pictures. Using Nightscape, the exposure and contrast is well balanced overall. Realme is continuously optimizing quality to reduce noise in photos. These are some best shots I have seen recently. If you can click even more beautiful shots, tag Realme in Twitter to get featured in their official page. Coming to my favorite section, brand new Realme UI. I can go way long by talking about this. Fluid, smooth and customizable. Lot of extra features are bundled in Realme UI like dark mode, screen effects, smart protection and dynamic MAC address generator. Let's look at some other features that can help us in daily use. The teaser we are looking now is from Realme's official channel. Battery backup is completely awesome in Realme phones. If your phone is AMOLED, relax, it easily lasts for a day. Even the games like PUBG can be played for a long time as the minimum battery capacity is 4000 mAh in present phones. We customers always wait for security updates. As we observe that Realme is very fast in providing security updates compared to their competitive brands, and even the processors Realme is choosing are very fast and efficient. Like you can see, Qualcomm Snapdragon series have excellent reviews by users, and now even MediaTek is heavily increasing their chipset performance at affordable prices. Realme is growing not only in smartphones but also in other IoT products, Realme Band, Buds Air and wireless earphones, and even planning to introduce Real TV and smartwatch soon. Let's get to a conclusion. Well, we can't expect 30W fast charging and 90Hz screen at 12,000, but Realme gave. I don't expect Samsung or Apple performance and camera optimizations under 20,000 at least for now. I honestly suggest you to go for Realme if your next phone budget is under 20,000. Thanks for watching. Yours taken to you.